In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a pop-up in Squarespace. Pop-ups can be a great way to engage your visitors, promote a special offer, or collect email addresses for your newsletter. They're versatile and, when used correctly, can be a powerful tool in your marketing strategy. So let's get started on setting up one in your Squarespace site. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, head over to your website dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage just about everything on your site. From here, find the left-hand menu. It's your go-to navigation tool for making changes or adding new features to your website. Next, look for the option labeled Marketing. Clicking on this will open a whole new world of possibilities for promoting and enhancing your site's visibility. Within the marketing section, you'll find various tools, but the one we're interested in today is the promotional pop-up. Click on that, and it will bring up the panel specifically dedicated to creating and managing pop-ups. Once you're inside the promotional pop-up panel, you'll want to click on Change Layout. This is where you'll start shaping the appearance of your pop-up. Squarespace provides a selection of pre-designed structural templates. These templates are designed to make your life easier, offering a range of styles that can suit different needs and aesthetics. Take your time to review these templates, considering how each might fit with the overall design and feel of your website. Remember, the layout is crucial. It needs to be clear, engaging, and aligned with the message you will want to communicate. Whether you're highlighting a discount, encouraging newsletter sign-ups, or announcing new content, the design should support your goal without overwhelming your visitors. After you've found a template that you like, click to select it. Squarespace will automatically apply that layout, allowing you to see how it looks in real time. You can make further adjustments to the text, images, and colors to ensure it perfectly matches your brand and message. The customization options are pretty flexible, so feel free to experiment with different combinations until you get it just right. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your pop-up, make sure to save your changes. This step is essential to ensure that all your hard work is not lost. Saving also activates your pop-up, making it live on your site for visitors to see. And there you have it. You've just created a pop-up on Squarespace. Remember, the key to an effective pop-up is balance. Make sure it's visible and engaging, but not so intrusive that it disrupts the user experience. With a well-designed pop-up, you can effectively capture your audience's attention and drive the actions you want them to take. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.